Hey everyone, my name is Maurice Harrison, owner of one of the most trusted residential and commercial roofing companies here in the Baltimore, Washington, D.C. areas. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering three things. Who are we? Can we really help you? And can you trust us? So let me try to answer that in under a minute. We've been in the business for about 20 years now, and we've helped thousands of people, homeowners and building owners, protect their buildings with reliable, long-lasting roofing solutions. We've held an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, I'm going to say, for over 20 years now, and we have over 100 reviews on Google with a 4.9 rating. So when we say we stand behind our work, we really mean it. We specialize in both residential and commercial roof repairs and roof replacements. We also provide roof certifications, and yes, we also offer flexible financing to make your project affordable. Whether you've got a leaky roof, storm damage, an aging flat roof and or shingle roof, or just want to get a professional inspection for your roof that you can trust, we're here to help you make that right decision for your property. So if you need an honest answer, clear communication, and a company that treats your home or building like it's your own, we entice you to reach out to us anytime. Again, my name is Reese, and we're here to help. And thank you.